light right on my face. Yeah, okay. Boom. Welcome back to the channel. You seen the fucking thumbnail. You seen the title. I got a Mk2 Jetta here that I'm about to review for you guys. It is 30 degrees outside right now. So first and foremost, you watching this video, I need you to hit that like button. I'm out here freezing my fingers off for the content. So please hit that like button and drop a comment, say hi, whatever you guys want to say. But I got the Mk2 Jetta here. I'm about to review it. First, we're gonna talk to the owner. We're gonna see everything that's done to it. Then we're gonna go for a drive. Let's get it.
Don't want no chronic smoke with me. Off trying to smoke with me. They don't want no smoke with me. They don't want no smoke with me, my darling. They don't want no smoke with me. They don't want no smoke with me.
So I got my guy Marcus here. This is Mk2. I'm gonna have his IG, all his information in the description below. But Marcus, first question is what you did to this car, man. It looks amazing.
Thank you. I'm still working on it, about maybe halfway done, but you know, you're never done with a project car.
Right.
92 Jetta Carrot. It's actually the same as the first road spot I ever owned. It was a 92 Carrot. So I needed to get the Carrot for the power windows because certain mods I don't like doing myself. So, I mean, aside from the body, I mean, pretty much everything's been changed. Got a GTI grill, quad lights, wheels and tires is from Fitment Industries, 15x8s. I gotta change my tires soon because traction's not really there on these Toyos.
Right.
Recaro seats, Corrado wheel, changed out the system, did a VR from a Mk4 12 valve, but I converted some of the parts back to Mk3 for the wiring and the computer and everything to make it easier to run. You know
that's all they care about. that's all they're gonna care about is what motor's in there. That's all they're gonna care about.
Yeah, so it's a Mk4 12, so it's already got the thicker head gaskets and all that stuff. I put 264 cams,
nice.
TT cams with a matching chip.
Okay.
You know, blue wires, blue hoses, just for now. As far as performance, that's pretty much it. I'll probably do like underdrive pulleys and stuff like that. I'm keeping that aspirated. But for now, like I said, I got it running. Did the exhaust and everything with it. 5-speed manual swap with a taller 5th gear for highway cruising.
Okay.
So that's as far as the performance mods. That's pretty much it.
That's a squirt. Oh man. Yeah, there we go. Getting used to like the shifter like this. This is something that I've always seen. Like, of course, I'm used to my 08. It's up a little higher, but shift is long as hell, man.
Yeah, because it's on the floor.
Right. Nah, it does ride nice.
It's smooth.
Yeah.
It's smooth. Brand new mounts and all of that when I did it.
What code levels you got again?
Oh, some eBay. JOM, I think was a brand.
Oh, JOM?
Yeah.
You know, people give JOM so much flack, bro. I'm like, I know so many people that like, because they feel like you gotta buy like the most expensive shit.
Nah, I think I paid $300. And I'm thinking about maybe doing like ST coilover or something like that. But I mean, they're 5, but I don't have any problems with the rated car rides.
Yeah. And that's good. That's good that you don't, cause my God,
I mean,
when I got mine.
The thin tires is more of an issue as far as the ride comfort than the suspension is.
Right. These ride good. Sometimes you need like adjustable fucking, you know, like a dampening and stuff like that. You don't need that with these.
Yeah. The car doesn't weigh anything either, so
Yeah, that's true.
it's not like I got to do a lot of adjusting. Let's make sure you engage third all the way, because I think my seat grows a little worn out.
Okay, I got you.
I get lazy and I'll miss it every once in a while. That was it, because I didn't have a lot of money back then.
This is what I would definitely do. I would definitely do a Vr6.
It's fun power. It's enough for the lightweight car. I don't got a turbo with anything crazy like that. And it's reliable. When I did the chains and all that stuff when I put it in. So I get in, start the car up and go.
You know, I wanna, you know, if I got a turbo and all that extra shit, you know.
You have fun with all that. All that noise and power, braking traction on these little 15, 16s, whatever you put on it.
I gotta come for all the Hondas.
You would come for them with a stock VR. These cams, I get that nice uneven idle.
Right.
And it pulls.
Yeah, see the power that this car has is good.
Yeah. And you feel me? We going over these bumps.
Right. It's not that good. I'll tell you one thing. It's type better than my shit. 'Cause my shit be, you know, my car's like 4,000 pounds. So it's bouncing around everywhere.
I realize my issue with these bumps is that I'm hearing the car rattle. Not so much that I'm feeling anything.
Yeah, but that's like old car problems, though. It's like old car shit, man. Nah, this is good though. I'm impressed. I like this.
It's coming along.
I'm gonna get my Mark 2, but you know it gotta be the 2 though. I mean, I gotta get the coupe. I'm gonna pay for it though. I'm gonna get hit in the head.
You gotta find somebody that don't know that it means anything.
Yeah, this is regular New York shit, man. Nah, I'm good, man. Come over here by Shea Stadium. Everybody trying to get you to get some work done. I'm good. Yeah, over here, yeah. I went over here one time to do an exhaust. I almost lost my oil pan, bro.
Oh yeah, and you definitely losing more parts than you picking up to come back here.
Exactly. Nah, now if I get my VR and I turbo it, I'm having to dump straight out the hood. I'm putting the dump right out the hood, man.
You can have it dumped right out.
Oh yeah, it screams, man. Nah, this is good. This is perfect, man. Type jelly, man. You selling?
Everything's for sale.
Everything's for sale. What's that? I might come see you there.
That don't mean the price gonna be fair.
Listen, I'm already. You know what car I got, man. I'm already used to getting bad deals. But I love this car. This is nice. It's very easy to drive. It's nice. Your power steering is better than mine. Oh man. So that concludes this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It was short and sweet. But I hope you guys liked it. Glad you guys came to check it out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment, you know, down in the comments, you know, what did you like about the car? Because I'm actually also thinking about getting one myself. So let me know if you guys think I should. I'll catch you in the next one.